About 2 weeks ago, I went hiking, and when I got done, which was the first time in a long time, it was a good challenging hike, my legs were like jello. And when I got home, I said to myself, oh my goodness, why didn't I have the roll recovery in my car? So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And yes, the roll recovery is a product if you are looking to give yourself an amazing massage for your legs. This was created for runners. It was actually 9 years ago when I did an open boxing on the first version of the roll recovery. Then they came out with this version, which came out in white and black, and then now they've added red. But then they also have added the R8 Plus, which has a dial on top, and I'll put a link to it as well, and that adjusts for the intensity of the unit. So this is a spring-loaded device. This is truly an awesome product, and this was made by runners, for runners, and you'll see this product at Running Shop. However, this is great for anybody that wants to really massage all different parts of your legs, your glutes, and even your arms. And I wanted just to share that with you. And if you find this video of help, by the way, appreciate if you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber and find any value, then click that subscribe button. And of course, the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos like this one. So this unit weighs a little more than 2.5 pounds. So it is certainly got a bit of weight to it. But again, this is a great way to massage your legs also after a workout. So this is not a product that I see just for runners. Now I know there's all sorts of rollers, but what I like about this is that you can get both sides of your legs at the same time with it. It's got a nice rubberized grip, and they do have different types of rollers depending upon what you're interested in. This is the standard roller, and then they have this softer plush that you can buy. I'll put a link to that, and as you can see with the newer version that they had come out, it has a key. You can change one out for the other, or you can go plush on both sides, but I like this combination. And again, if you want to also take it to another level for a higher level of intensity where you can adjust, the R8 Plus. So as far as the legs, and the way this works is you just kind of glide this right on your legs. And I know others have different ways that they want to use the product for how fast or slow you want to go. So what's nice about this is you can control the speed, and also you can push in a little bit to give it that little extra deeper massage that it can give to you. And that feels such a good feeling massage. Although it's a bit painful, it's a good thing because it's really working the leg muscles. And I'll tell you, my legs were just done when I got done with the hike, and I wish I had put this in my car and I completely forgot. So you can do your legs, you can do your hammies as well. And then you can also, as I've got the softer roller, you can easily take that off, and then you could just, switch sides. So you can do that as well and really work the legs well. You could then go down your calves, work your calves as well along the bone, and then just go at a slower pace so you can really get in there and work the legs. So a number of different ways that you can use this for the legs, and you will love the feeling, and especially after, again, a long hike. You've been on your feet all day, your legs are just exhausted. You need to get those muscles replenished, then you can do that. Now, as far as the glutes, you can do that as well. You can just roll that on there on your body like this, and then just get in there into the glutes. So that's another great way that you can use the roll recovery. And then, as I mentioned, you can also use this for your arms if you want to massage your arms as well. So while it was, to me, initially, as I thought, as a product for the legs, you could see it's so much more. So check it out today. Again, this is the R8, there's the R8 Plus, and then you can also change out the inserts if that's something you want to do. If you have any questions, let me know. If you use it, please leave any comments, and I hope this video is of help. Stay healthy, stay pain-free, and keep your legs smiling. Take care.